Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are doing a Yass or Pause, where I sit and chat with you about new and upcoming makeup releases, possibly some things that may have already just launched because I'm always behind, and let you know whether or not I think I'm going to purchase them or if we should act like they literally do not even exist. I am so excited, you guys, because I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been paying attention to makeup releases lately. No, I have not. And so this is going to be just a journey for all of us. I haven't even peeped. I couldn't tell you the last time I've seen a trend mood post. Come to think of it, I'm slacking, for real. And I don't like go through and prep before these videos. I just kind of wing it right off the bat. So I'm super excited. And yeah, makeup really hasn't been doing it for me lately, you guys. There has really been nothing new that I've wanted. The only things I've really purchased are like repurchases, skincare items, and I really don't have new makeup. And so I'm interested to see if there's anything that I may want to pick up. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump on into it. We're not gonna do no crazy intro or nothing. As always, I'm gonna pop the picture of what I'm talking about on the screen here so you too can follow along. And as always, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below because I love chatting with you guys about stuff like this. Let's see how many roasts we're gonna have today. I'm super pumped. So let me adjust myself because I'm already hurting my foot. I can have nothing nice. So the first thing that I see, first post on Trend Mood's page, is it's already available from wherever she posted this. But this is the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes and Glam Light collection, okay? Honestly, I knew right from it was by this print alone because old Tony the Tiger's face right there in the back peeking at me. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of dig it. It took me 2 seconds and initially I was like, because it's always weird to me when brands collab with like food, because like, what is that? But at the same time, from what I can see, it was executed very well. Now I do enjoy Glam Light products, so that probably is some of it. They have really gorgeous shadows. For example, when like a Makeup Revolution or someone does something like this, typically it's a turn off for me, I won't lie, because the products just, they're not as good, but I know that these eyeshadows are good. First of all, this eyeshadow palette, color scheme, exactly what I would think it should be. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks stunning, stunning. You've got the orange, which is super helpful because you gotta have that and not just in the packaging. If there wasn't an orange shade in there, failure. But it looks really good. The couple of brown tones, I like that they added a gold. So because you have a whole neutral row that you can really stick to if you don't want to do any pops of color. I love that they did quite a bit of the blue because hello, that's a big part of like the whole entire experience. Their shimmer shades are amazing. If they're anything like the shimmers in the Michaela palette, they are too good. Or I have like the cake palette, too good. So I know these are gonna be real nice. I'm a fan, a big fan. I really, really like it. Am I gonna buy it? Probably not. But do I like it? Yes, I do. I really do. I just wish Tony the Tiger wasn't in the corner of the mirror, but he is. They're great. You know what I'm saying? But either way, we're gonna move right along. 2 new eyeshadow palettes from Kylie Cosmetics, the Mauve palette and the Bronze palette. Give me something else, Kylie. Haven't you already done this? This is the Sunbeam Cheek and Eye Shade from Chantecaille. This is an all-in-one gel/powder formula that gives eyes and cheeks a sun-kissed gleam of warmth that instantly flatters and defines 82 doll hairs. What? $82? Because it's not, so in the photo there's like a lip product thing with it. They don't mention that at all. I guess it's just in the product shop, but it looks like it kind of goes with it. The thing we're looking at is the thing in the container. Now I will say, first off, outside packaging, stunning. That's absolutely gorgeous. Like, would it look absolutely fantastic on my shelf here? Yes. For $82, girl, I'm bougie in a lot of ways. I love spending some money, okay? That kind of hurts me. I wish I could see a swatch of it. I do like the design in it. It looks like a flower or like a little sunburst or something. That's quite cute. But I would like to see a swatch because I wonder how universally flattering this is going to be on many skin tones, because it's kind of hard to tell. It looks like it really has like a deep kind of undertone to it. But I assume it's more either, I don't know if it's a highlighter or just kind of like a blush topper, because since you can also wear it on the eyes, I don't know. $82 hurts my chest though. That's a lot of money for like what's gotta be like this much product. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a lot of money. Continuing on, Charlotte Tilbury. So these are Smart on the Go kits. They're the new portable refillable quick and easy makeup kits. $75 each to have an eye wand, a lip and cheek wand, and a highlighter wand. And I guess you can refill them. I kind of like the idea that they can be refillable. Hello eco-friendly, we're a fan. I just won't lie to you, I'm not the biggest fan of Charlotte Tilbury products. I look at the colors and they look nice, like I won't lie. I'm also not much of a cream product gal because I do have to set cream products on my face. So this doesn't really appeal to me in that manner either, so that may be why I'm a little jaded. I love certain Charlotte Tilbury products. You guys know I love the Beauty Light wand. That is a staple product for me. But other than that, I'm not the biggest fan. I do want to try some of like her bronzer wand looking things that people use because they look like they could be really pretty, and I do like a cream bronzer because I'm gonna set it anyways. But I don't know, something about this, it just doesn't feel like it would be good for like the way I do makeup or anything like that. So yeah, the colors look nice. It just depends on if that's what you're into. But I'm not gonna like take these on the go with me. Like, girl, I don't even take my lipstick with me when I leave the house. So like, this isn't really my jam. I guess for travel, maybe, if you love Charlotte Tilbury products, they could be nice. But I don't know, I feel like if you already have them in a normal size, they're not that hard to pack. Like, why would you buy little ones? You know what I'm saying? Either way, we're gonna move right on along. Ooh, what is this from Juvia's Place? The Nubian Earth collection. So you got the Nubian Earth palette, the Earth gloss in a few different shades, a matte lipstick. Let me bring some stuff up. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette. It's nice. It's a neutral. Again, I'm not gonna get it because it's a neutral. And also, guys, what is with the ones like when people do the swirly shades? So it's like the mixture of the shades. What does that do? You know, I don't understand. The math don't be mathing for me on that. It's a pretty palette. I think if you're someone that's looking for neutrals, this to me looks nice because it's a really nice array of neutrals. You got really light shades, you got some really nice deep, warm, chocolatey looking shades. Their shimmers are stunning. And so I feel like this for 20 bucks is not bad. Really quick, there's this like Essence Jurassic World collection. I'm not even gonna dive into everything that's in here. I don't get it. Nothing about this looks like Jurassic World to me, other than the fact that it looks like they maybe put like a dinosaur foot imprint in the palette, and they use like what I think they think is a dinosaur print embossing. Yeah, it looks like a summer thing. It's pink and orange. I don't get it. The collection makes no sense to me. Moving right on along. What is this? What is this? A Morphe collection, whose surprise, not I. This is the 35U Gilded Desert Artistry palette. This is giving me the same type of vibes as the Juvia's Place Earth collection that we just looked at. And just kind of off the initial swipe through, that palette and that collection looks way better than this. This Morphe one, if you look at the, like the top part of the palette, I kind of like. It has depth. We've got a few things going on. The bottom part, why does it look like the same shade about 45 times down there? Like, I get it. You need a couple light shades to highlight with, to like brighten up inner corners, things like that. But girl, you're doing too much. And I think the problem is Morphe had a good few of these 35 pan palettes, especially back in the day. I can't say anything, like I had the orange ones, all that. I think I may have one now. I don't even know if I have any more Morphe palettes, to be honest with you, that I like use. But I think the thing is like, that's, at this point in makeup, that's so many shades. Like, there's gonna be so many shades in this palette that like you don't touch. Like, after the Jacqueline palettes and stuff, like those I love, I don't get these 35 pan palettes. They're just so big. Unless it's gonna be a 35 pan palette of nothing but like really, really nice rainbow colors where you're getting, you know, almost like the Tati Beauty palette did, where you're getting different formulas in the same shade so you can really mix and match. So you've got mattes, metallics, shimmers, fold glitters, something like that. I don't understand the purpose of these big palettes anymore. So, okay, so apparently, did I miss something, or did Alicia Keys just come out with a makeup brand? Because this, I assume that this is her makeup brand, Keys Soul Care. So they've got Sheer Flush Cheek Tint with sunflower oil, comforting tinted lip balm with avocado oil, a soft stay brow gel, and a natural flush complexion brush. So I will say the products make sense because Alicia Keys has very much been a makeup free gal for a long time now. So I do appreciate that the products that are being launched or have been launched at this point are very fitting with very natural shades, natural tones, very light makeup. It makes sense to me because if she's gonna start wearing makeup, it's gonna look very natural. Even in the product photos, it looks like she's hardly wearing anything. So the products to me make sense with her name on it. So looking at the shades, very nice, very natural. Looks like they've got like a good bit for different skin tones. The lip products, very basic. It's kind of giving me like Rare Beauty slash, what is it? Who's got the boy brow gel? Glossier. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what it's giving. It's giving a mix of like Rare Beauty and Glossier to me, which I mean is fine if that's your jam. I will say, and like nothing is really doing it for me. I'm not gonna buy the lip products because I just put on like my Laneige lip balm if I'm looking for something like that. Otherwise I'm gonna wear something with color. The cheek products, they look okay. They don't really look like my jam. Like they're a little too sheer for me. If I'm gonna put on a cheek product, I like some color there. You guys know me, I love blush. I love a good chunky amount of blush. So this isn't really gonna do it for me. But if you were someone who is into very much letting the skin breathe and just like a little flush of color to the cheeks or the lips, this could be really nice for you. Okay, I haven't seen this, but I've seen Jeffree Star talk about it. The Banana Fetish collection. First of all, I see what you did there. Okay, I see. I'm seeing. I don't like it. I don't like the palette at all. I don't understand. You guys know that there are products from Jeffree Star Cosmetics that I do really enjoy. The liquid lipsticks are my favorite thing. I do have a few eyeshadow palettes still that are really nice. His quality is nice, but I don't know, man. It's slipping for me. The drops aren't doing it anymore. They're just not. They're not great. I haven't bought anything from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in a long time. I think the last thing that I purchased was the Conspiracy palette, which is a really nice, fun, funky palette. But I don't know, it's not doing it for me. Okay, you guys, so the last thing I'm going to chat with you guys about is honestly the last thing I've actually liked on Trend Mood's page, which is hilarious because they posted this on the 28th. But this is the Sol de Janeiro Milky Leave-In Conditioner. It says it's a lightweight conditioning spray that hydrates, detangles, and fights frizz for up to 72 hours while repairing split ends and protecting against heat. This retails for $28. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Sol de Janeiro products, especially in that original scent. Currently, I love the Way Leave-In Conditioner. It smells so good. It really hydrates my hair, especially since I go so long without getting it cut and things like that because your girl is lazy. So this is something I'm definitely interested in trying. Honestly, I think it's the only thing I've said I'm really interested in trying this whole video. So we're going out with a bang here. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I'm going to talk about in this video. As always, let me know your thoughts and opinions on anything I chat about in this video or anything else that you've seen, whether you like it, you hate it. Let's talk about it because I probably missed a ton of things because Trend Mood is constantly posting. But thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I love doing these videos because just simply chatting with you guys is like my favorite thing ever. So as always, if you did enjoy it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!